Fingerprints still linger on my skin, a map of every place where we should not have been. The silence in the room is loud as sin. We wrote a story no one else can read again. We built a fire we couldn't tame, kissed inside a hurricane. Now all that's left is smoke and phantom hands. Never speak of this again. Not a whisper, not a friend. Erase the night, erase the spin. We were beautiful but paper thin. Burn the truth beneath our skin. Never speak of this again. There's lipstick on the glass we never cleaned, a photograph of something in between. You said forever in a stranger's tone, but forever's just another word for alone. Your shadow's crawling down the hall, but I won't answer when it calls. Some secrets are too heavy to defend. Never speak of this again. No confession, no amen. Erase the night, erase the sin. We were lightning in a closing hand. Struck a match we can't withstand. Never speak of this again. Let the night dissolve in black. Leave no trail, don't look back. This love's a crime without a name. We'll bury it without a friend. Never speak of this again. Not a whisper, not a friend. Erase the night, erase the spin. We were beautiful but paper thin. Burn the truth beneath our skin. Never speak of this again. Never speak. Never speak of this again.